Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about arrays. So with array variables, we can store several pieces of data in one place, and it could be different types as well. It could be strings and numbers and other types and arrays, objects. But how it works is that we declare a variable, and to make it an array, we use brackets like this, an opening bracket to indicate the beginning of the array, and the closing bracket indicating the end of the array. And we split each piece of data with commas inside of it. So this one has a string peanut butter, a string jelly, and a string bread. 3 different strings inside of this one data structure. For this exercise, it wants us to modify the new array, my array here, so that it contains both a string and a number in that order. So we have this bracket here indicating that it's going to be an array. So we put a string in here. So let's say string, and we have it in quotations. And then to put a number in, we separate it with a comma, and we can put any number we want. So I'm going to put 10. And arrays are just a way so we can hold data, different data like this. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.